Just gotta be patient. Today there is a blizzard warning. Bringing cats out in the snow. Gobi! Odie, it's weird, huh? B, thought you were gonna run around. That's why I got the camera out. You. Hey guys. Look at that snow falling. Go B! B! Go run! No, don't come to the door, you silly bee. Go run, go play. Hello? She's not gonna go play? Oh, there she goes. A little bit. Where is she? Odie hasn't moved? Honey? So am I. Okay. You want to leave her outside to go poopers? No?
I don't know. She's coming in.
Huh?
She likes the snow. It's fun. Would you like some tea? No? Okay. Excuse me.
It's Scotty. And Pete. I have 2 friends.